all set. Good job, that's good. Thank you. And I'll just need a little bit after I put these in, Josh.
I'll give us some snacks.
Thank you, Shar. I'm putting them in, she goes, wonk with her finger. Whoa, 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 whoa. Boom! I know, you fell off of Mother's leg.
That takes more butter.
Look at it.
The time on this is wrong. It says 1:56 a.m.
My feet.
Wait, that's a late supper. Oh, early one.
My feet. Okay. I thought you were.
Is that good?
Hello.
What?
No. No.
You have more in there.
Mommy.
Yeah, you got more in there. Ew.
Mommy, now. Mom.
You have more. See, look. Right there.
Mama,
Good job.
I found to go away to get the flour in those cups. Just by sitting and then up. That's the go away. Mom.
What?
Nothing.
Don't touch, please. Yes, put it back.
Bessie.
Yes, it looks like one. Push it down.
I pushed it down in.
Is there dirt covering it?
And then,
I'm never gonna get a shirt clean.
let I need to go wash my hands.
Excuse me. Say excuse me. Oh, go on, Char. Oh, go on. Oh, go on. It's all good. Oh, go on.
In the chair.
This is our man on the street interview with Joshua Linscott. Joshua, what did you do today?
Play games.
Are you married?
No.
Do you have a job?
No.
What do you do all day?
Play.
Who plays with you?
Mommy and you.
Mommy and you?
Inside. You and you and you.
What do you do when Daddy's at work?
Play games and play.
So you just basically play all day?
Yeah.
Did you go to college to learn how to play?
No.
How do you know how to play?
I just know how to play. People know how to play.
How do you know how to play? Did you learn how?
No. We don't have to learn how to play.
Well, how do you know how to play then?
Mom, how we learn how to play?
You just try new things.
We just play new things, you railhead.
How come you talk like that?
Because you're silly.
Do you know how to talk like a grown-up?
Yes.
What do grown-ups say?
Oh, that's Spanish.
Can you count in Spanish?
Una, seis, cuatro, cinco, seis. Siete, ocho,
Nueve.
nueve,
Yes.
10.
Where's that voice coming from that's telling you how to count in Spanish?
Maria teach me.
Maria taught you? Who's Maria?
Maria on Sesame.
Ah. Do you spend a lot of time with her?
No, she's not out TV. She's
Minnie,
in TV.
She's in TV?
Yes.
Hmm.
So silly goof.
So what do you want to be when you grow up?
A basketball player and a plumber and a babysitter.
A basketball player and a what?
And a plumber
A plumber
and a babysitter.
and a babysitter?
Yeah, and play softball and play baseball.
Are you going to have your own business cards? What are they going to say on them?
I
Are they going to say your name on them?
No, at the end of there.
don't know. Not all of them.
Not all of them?
No.
So if you're a plumber and a basketball player, what are you going to do? Are you going to fix somebody's toilet and then play basketball in it?
No. I'm going to fix somebody's toilet, and if they need, and if anything's broken, I'll come and I'll fix it.
What are those things behind you?
What?
In the windowsill.
Flowers.
What?
Flowers.
They're flowers?
Yeah.
Who planted them?
You and me and Joey and Mommy.
That doesn't look like flowers to me. It looks like a bunch of dirt.
It is a bunch of dirt now.
Well, where are the flowers?
They're gonna come start growing.
How are they going to grow?
When we put water on.
Why do they need water?
Because so and sun, so they can grow nice. See, like those.
Huh. So did you put special powder in there that flowers grow out of?
No, dirt.
See.
You put dirt? I hear that voice again telling you what to say.
Seeds. And seeds.
Who's your prompter?
You?
No. Agnes?
No.
Who's Agnes?
Shoya.
Sheree is Agnes?
Yes.
What do you want to name your little baby brother if it's a boy?
I'll name it Linscott.
Donald Linscott? Oh, I thought you had a different name for it.
But now I changed my mind.
What did you used to want to name it?
Boot.
What?
Boot.
Boot?
Yeah.
Does that mean your name is Shoe?
No.
What would you name it if it's a girl?
I think, let me see. Sarah.
Sarah?
No, there's always a Sarah.
Huh.
In church.
What does Shara call Grandpa and Grandma?
Bubba.
Who's she call Bubba?
Grandma.
What does she call Grandpa?
Poppy.
Poppy?
Yeah.